Page 92, letter W. Read the sentences and circle all the words that begin with W. Alright everyone, today we'll learn about letter W. W says w. Let's read aloud. W says w. One more time. W says w. Good job. Now let's go to the reading. A witch wore a wig on a windy day. The wind blew the witch's wig. A wolf watched her from the window. All right, everyone. Remember, we have to find all the words that begin with W. Let's start. Witch. Wore. Wig. Windy. Wind. Witches. Wig. Wolf. Watched. Last one. Window. Yes, good job. Now let's go to our question. How many did you find? Remember, we have to start counting aloud. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, everyone. Let's write number 10 in the circle. Are you all done? Now let's go to our picture. Who is flying in the sky? Yes, it is a witch. And something else is flying too. It is a witch's hat and a wig. Good job. Now, how is the weather? Yes, it is windy. And who is in the house? Yes, there is a wolf. Splendid. Let's go to the next page. Page 93. Circle or color the pictures that begin with W. All right, everyone, please get a pencil or a color pencil ready. Remember to repeat after me. Let's read aloud. Picture 1. Turtle. Next one, you drink this. Yes, this is a water. Next one is a window. Next one is called socks. Yes. And the next animal is a scary animal. This is a wolf. Next one. This is a yucky insect. This is a worm. Yes, I don't like this. Next one is a violin. Next one is a watch. Good job. Now let's circle all the words that begin with W. Are you ready? Yes, let's start. Water. Window. Wolf. Worm. Watch. Fabulous. Let's go to the next page. Page 94. Practice writing the letter W. Let's look at the picture. What's the first picture? Yes, this is a yummy fruit. It's watermelon. Next one is a worm. Great job, everyone. Now, please get a pencil or a color pencil ready. Remember to read aloud. Let's start. W. W. WWWW. Great job. One more time. WWWW. 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 All right, everyone. Last one. WWWW. WWWW. Fantastic! Now, if you couldn't finish this, please finish it as homework. All right, let's go to the next page. Page 95. Circle all the W windows. All right, everyone, please get a color pencil ready and repeat after me. W, 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 W. Great job!